In this video, we will show how to set up the optional Smart Clean feature. If activated, the Smart Clean feature will automatically have the softener perform a short backwash and rinse cycle after 7 days of non-use. This helps prevent bacteria growth from stagnant water. To start, press any button and the screen will display as shown. You'll then need to press and hold the menu button for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep, which indicates that you have unlocked the valve. In order to access the Smart Clean feature, press and hold both the menu and the Set Regen button simultaneously for approximately 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the screen shows the language. Then press the Set Regen button several times until you see Smart Clean off on the display screen. If you would like to turn this feature on, press either the arrow up or down buttons to highlight 10 minutes and 7 days. Then press the Set Regen button and you'll notice that 10 is highlighted. You can use the arrow up and down buttons to change the time, but we recommend that you leave it at 10 minutes and then press the Set Regen button and the cursor will advance to the number of days. Again, you can use the arrow up or down buttons to change the days, but we recommend you leave it at 7. Then press the Set Regen button to show programming is complete. You have now successfully activated the Smart Clean feature.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.